I have done backtesting and optimization of the Gold Fish Scalper on the Gold 5-minute time frame because here you can see on the screen the developer clearly mentioned this is designed specifically for XAU USD. But I decided to do its backtesting and in-depth optimization on the GBPUSD. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. You are watching Trading Boat Lab and I'm your host Abdul. I am doing all this stuff only for you and I'm expecting a subscribe, like, and don't forget to share these kind of videos with your friends on your social media accounts. This will help me to grow and I will keep continue working like this. You can also suggest me a free robot which is available on the MQL5 marketplace in the comment section and I will do optimization on that robot in my next videos. So now let's move to my screen. I do it with all these settings with the GBP USD and the same settings I already used for the gold. And here the optimization process is already completed. You can see all these results here. There are a lot of results. The highest recovery factor is 3.89 while the recovery factor was more than 9 when we have done it on the gold. You can see all details in this video. And here the total profit is $192 for a drawdown of 16% of drawdown. So when I check for the highest profit factor, which is 1.28, but here the drawdown is 32% with the recovery factor of 2.4, which is not good. So the highest profit I got on the GBPUSD is $202, but the profit factor is 1.17, which is lower than our specified, which is 1.5, but it's okay. We will test it. Right click on it and simply click on the run single test. When I click on it, here in the graph we can see the performance, how it is going on. Backtesting process is completed and here in the backtest all these values, you already know how to read all these values. And here you see the January in loss, February, March, April, June in small profit, July profit, August in loss, September in loss, October is in profit, November in profit, December in profit. So overall we can make a decision that this boat is not good for GBP USD even with the best input settings. So we are not going to use this boat on currency pairs even on our test period on the test account. I hope this video will save your time. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.